Okay, iPhone 13 and it's here. Let me fix this mic. And I got the iPhone 13 here. I gotta test it out to see how good this is for shoot video. I don't know. I'll take a look if we shoot like a little music video vibe, cinematics. Quality of this is nice too. Quality of this is nice, regular video mode. Got Mathu right here. Oh shit, the setup look nice. Yo, the quality on this just look decent, I swear. Look on it.
That's better than Sony, bro.
Ooh.
It look nice. But I'm gonna switch it to cinematic mode. Watch it.
Wow.
Alright, we're done.
Yo, the cinematic mode. Yo, you just stay right there so don't move. Alright, my record. Cinematic mode. Touch back here, touch back there, touch back here, touch back here. Pretty dope. Alright. I'm seeing I need to max out the quality on this, you know.
Shooting ProRes.
Yeah. All the time.
Is that a 128 gig model?
I think at the 512. Kawaila is here as the model for today. Yo, watch your clothes on the background. Yo, it's nice. Oops, I almost dropped it. Bruh. Yo, this is so nice. That's I use my hand as a gimbal. Yo, this table, bad. Aaron, come to me. You not have to run too fast. Yeah. Point towards the camera. You have to focus on this fast, bad.
Pretty ass lizard.
It's nice. Alright, so we're gonna do something over here. So, alright, more see if we can get.
Going at the birds.
Yeah, more see if we can get the birds. Don't fly. Alright, make it seem as if you're gonna walk towards him.
Okay.
Go. Go on. Yeah. Yo, Jono, I'm going to look close and punching. Come on. Focus. Focus. Alright. Focus. Focus. Focus.
Dog.
Yeah. Yo.
Just imagine put this on a phone stabilizer.
You don't need no stabilizer. It's stable. You don't need no stabilizer. It's stable. I'm going out the gallery.
And you can edit the footage, you color it.
Yeah, ProRes raw. I shoot it right now. So look at. Alright, where's the one with the alright, so I think it's this one. Or that one here? Look at this. Tell me if you need a stabilizer for this. And I walk phone.
So run you out of business.
No, run me out of business, man. Because when you look, some of the edges, them not that sharp, you see me? And yo, the light leak with this, nice. I'm like when you look at bird, them in the background of fly. Bro, this is nice.
Yo.
Let me show you our next one. Fast focus. Is that? So it focus on our finger. So just focus on our finger as you put it in the frame, and then just focus on our face as you move it out of the frame. Boy, this is a nice upgrade. It's a nice upgrade. Nice little upgrade. So you see, I get this, Mathu. I get this. You not get it? You not get it, but it's nice.
Temptation, but they're gonna redesign next year.
Tell that a true. Where is it when the 14 come out?
No, there's actually
Look
a
nice.
redesign next year. Not might get reached.
Nice. Decent. When I give me the phone.
Man, have to take time.
When I give me the phone.
Camera money holding it down.
Eh?
Camera money holding it
Alright. Watch your man. Got Mathu over here. Let me see how this look. Try. Yeah, well clean. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so this is the cinematic mode on the iPhone 13 Pro, and I'm trying to figure out if the it's over this one.
I'll go play.
I go feed. Yo, the front camera pan is in the, yo, check out the
It's 4K 60 shoot out.
yeah, pretty front camera. I'll just focus that.
Cinematic on the front camera too?
Yeah, focus that, focus this. Nice. Yo, that side, the angle is nice.
You know why
So-
I hate Apple? Them changed all 3 cameras on the 12 Pro last year, and then come change the 3 camera them on this one again this year. I should pick up my face,
Gee. Let's stop.
It has tracking, right?
Yeah, it'll track you. If I lock it. Alright, hold on, go back, come back, step back, I'm just lock it. See if, oh no. It track your face though.
It does.
It's still on your face.
Is it? Oh.
Tracking good on this.
Yeah, I can still see on my face.
Still tracking.
Yo, it is really clean.
Them upcoming YouTubers, them are nice now.
Yeah, when I'm selling all the money on the iPhone thinking it's better than a camera. It's now.
Them kind of
Imagine back in the day thinking the iPhone 6 was a challenger to the DSLRs of the day.